Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you are looking for a really nice quality ghee, I want to show you this one. This is from the company Nanak, and this is the Desi ghee. So where I live, it's a little bit tricky to find specialty items. So being able to order online different products that I'm looking for is awesome. So this ghee is amazing, and it's great to be able to order it online. So this is a pretty large size container. It's 3.5 pounds or 56 ounces of clarified butter. So this is a really high quality and healthy fat, and I love to use it for tons of different things. I love to cook Indian food, and so having this is really important because it is a massive staple in Indian cooking. So this is what you want if you're looking to be a little bit more authentic. So when you cook with it, it may have sort of a grainy texture, but that's normal. Sometimes it's a little bit more liquidy, or it's kind of a mixture of both. So either way, it is normal to have that variance in texture. It's just how the product is. But once you add it to the heat, it's gonna melt up just like any other fat would. And it's just a really nice fat to cook with. It has a high smoking point, so it's really great for like stir frying vegetables and different things like that. I love to use it in baking. You can really just use it in place of butter or oil, and it does an amazing job. It has a really mild flavor. It doesn't taste exactly like butter, but it does have a mild flavor, and it's really delicious. I love it. A lot of people use this for bulletproof coffee if you like that as well. And it's great for all different types of diets. It is keto friendly. You can have this on like a Whole30 diet. So there's all different lifestyle diets that you can use ghee on, and it's super versatile. So I love it. I think it's great. I love having it on hand, and that's my point of view.